Have you ever wondered what really happens behind the scenes of creating art? It's not always as planned. Mistakes and adjustments are part of the process, and I'm here to share it with you from bold idea to tiny adjustments. I'll walk you through the process and show you how it all come together and the one moment that changed the final piece. In this video, you'll see the untold story of this creation unfold. So let's step into the heart of this creation together. Salam everyone, my name is Kulsum and welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing the story behind one of my most special and meaningful art piece. When my client approached me, she wanted to give something unique and heartfelt to her husband. ऐसा तोहफा जो उनके प्यार और रिश्ते का असल अक्स हो. As I listened to her story, I was inspired by the love and tranquility in their relationship. हर रिश्ते की तरह उनकी ज़िंदगी में भी ups and downs आए, but their bond has always remained strong. और जैसा कि वो कहती हैं कि उनके बीच एक सुकून सा है, जो बुनियादी सुतून होता है रिलेशनशिप का, जो अल्लाह की तरफ से अता किया हुआ होता है. And this is what inspired the entire concept of this artwork. Now, to represent the peace and harmony in the relationship, I choose this calming green color for the background. This color represents tranquility, peace, and growth, which reflects the serene foundation of their marriage. It's a shade that speaks of new beginning and growth, perfect for a love that continues to flourish over time. And honestly, isn't this color just so soothing to look at? Now, here I'm adding some meaningful details. As I previously told you about the relationship, the foundation of the relationship is trust, which really holds together everything in the relationship. And to capture this essence, I intentionally choose to create these designs on the corner. But I know there is a question in your mind. Why I choose this design? So the answer is, there is something deeper here, and we'll talk about it in just a moment. As I already told you, these borders are not just for decoration, they symbolize the strong foundation of the relationship, a foundation that's beautiful yet unbreakable. And as I was creating this art piece, हर ब्रश स्ट्रोक के साथ मैंने उनके रिश्ते की एक नई कहानी को समेटने की कोशिश की. It's a small details, but it ties the entire artwork together beautifully. What do you think about this idea? Let me know in the comment section. And this isn't just an artwork, it's an expression of love. And again, what's make it truly special is the bond it represents, a love story that has grown stronger through every season of life. So stay with me till the end, because there is something magical in the details of this artwork that you wouldn't wanna miss. And now, let me introduce you to the heart of this artwork. Literally, this heart symbolizes their relationship in the most magical way. It's the soul of their relationship. Let me explain its meaning. So, I'll be adding some blooming flowers in the one section of the heart, which represents the ever-growing and beautiful love. As I remember, someone once said, मोहब्बत वो गुल है जो हर मौसम में खिलता है. और उसके आगे का शेर मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा. Anyways, I'll keep the other half of the heart white. Now you'll probably be thinking why I chose white. Because white color in the heart represents purity of their love and peace they've built together over the years. And the golden section, that's the royalty of their bond, a rare, precious connection that's one in a million. Now I know you'll be thinking why I'm only explaining but not showing the process of this extraordinary heart. Because your sister was creating in such a flow that she forgot to record its process. And I know every artist will relate to this. But I'll show you the results in a while and it will be worth the wait. Trust me. Next, I added an ayah from the Quran which translates to, and he placed between you love and mercy. यह आयत हमें याद दिलाती है कि अल्लाह ने हर रिश्ते में मोहब्बत और रहमत को एक बरकत बनाया है, और ये रिश्ता उस बरकत की एक बेहतरीन मिसाल है. It's a reminder that true love is a blessing from Allah, filled with compassion and mercy. Then I added their names, क्योंकि किसी भी आर्ट पीस को पर्सनल बनाने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका ये होता है कि उसमें कुछ ऐसा ऐड किया जाए जो उनका अपना हो. This small touch makes the artwork truly theirs and more special. Names hold so much power, don't they? They carry memories, emotions, and stories. By the way, if you could create an art piece for someone special, whose name would you choose? Let me know in the comments. Now that the artwork is complete, let's take a moment to admire it. Every detail, from the colors to the heart, tells a story of love, patience, and unshakable trust. This artwork is more than just a gift. It's a celebration of a relationship that stands strong against all odds. So, what do you think about this art piece and its story? मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताएं. I'd love to know your thoughts. And if you enjoyed the process and the story behind this artwork, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more meaningful content. I believe every relationship has its own unique beauty, and art is the perfect way to capture it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.